Good morning students, welcome to online computer class. Last class I asked you to do two programs and today we'll discuss about those two programs. Program number 1. Write a program in Java to enter a word and display the ASCII code of each character of the word. So we are extracting the ASCII code of the given word. So first we should know what is ASCII code. ASCII code stands for American Standard Code Information Interchange. So Java deals with 0 to 255 characters. So each character has its unique ASCII code. So here the sample input says Blue Jay. So as I said earlier, each character has its unique ASCII code. So here ASCII code of B is 66, L is 75, U is 84, E is 69 and J is 73. So first we need to take the required variables. Variable I used for loop, variable L used to find the length of the string, ch1 belongs to integer data type to store the ASCII code values, string st to store the string literal, character ch to store the character variable. So these are the required variable used in this program. Next, system.out.println to enter a string. System asks user to enter a string. So once user enter a string, so that's stored under st. Second step, to finding out the length. So here L equal to st.length function. Length function is used to extract the length of a given string. So length stored under variable L. Now third step, for I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. So here I is 0, I less than L. Suppose user enter a string is Blue Jay, the length is 5, 0 less than 5 condition true. When it's condition true, it comes body of the loop. Here extracted the character. So char ch equal to st.char I. So here our I index is 0, therefore it extracted character B. Next we are converting this character to ASCII code value. So changing character to integer type variable. So that's stored under ch1. Now system.out.println ASCII code value of plus ch. What is the character? The first character is B, B ASCII code value is 66. So now next it goes to update expression, I value increment by 1. So I value 1, 1 less than 5 condition true. Again it extracted character L. Then this character it's converted into the numeric type value. So that's stored under ch1. And this process continues until I value gets false. So here is the process. I already said American Standard Code Information Interchange, that is the stands for ASCII code. Now A to Z values are assigned to 65 to 90. I equal to 0, I less than L. So 0 less than 5 condition true. It extracted character. I index means 0 index is B. Now the B character convert into the numeric type, and after that we are print the system.out.println. The ASCII code value of ch character is B is ch1 is 66. So this process continues when I value get false. The now same process will execute in the Java environment. So here I took I, L, ch1, string st, string variable, character variable ch. Step 1, system.out.println to enter a string. Here user enter a string. It's stored under st. Now the second step, to finding out the length. Now for I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus, ch equal to st caret I. This process already explained. Now we'll compile this program. After compilation, there is the no syntax error. We'll see the outputs now. Now we enter the string. Now here is our required output. Thank you and have a nice day.